How to change lock screen pin or code on Android phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can change your pin or code for your Android device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your settings application from your device. In here, you will see lock screen. Tap open that option, then tap on screen lock type. First of all, you have to enter your current PIN. Then you will see a page like this. In here, you will see 4 types of lock screen. One is PIN, password, pattern, and swipe. Now, in case you would like to change the PIN, tap onto PIN option and type in the new PIN. Confirm the new PIN again and tap on to next. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe, and if you would like to see more videos on this topic, do comment down below. We will get back to you soon.